So making whipped cream in a whipping siphon. This is totally classic. Everyone's done it. This is the main use for them, I'd say, in most kitchens and households and coffee shops.
Start with Thai Kitchen organic coconut milk. This is the full fat or regular, not light. And that's because you want less water than you do the fat, the coconut milk solids. And this brand is really reliable. There are some others out there that you're welcome to try. I just know that this one is the most consistent. So first I chill a can of coconut milk in a container, and I add a tablespoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract only, please, and a pinch of salt just to bring out the flavor and round it, and then a few drops of stevia. The brand I like is Sweet Leaf Organic, and you can get whatever kind you like. So that's it. Those are the ingredients, and then just whisk it together. Quick little whisk. Look how rich that looks, and it's got a really beautiful color. And now on to the gadget. So this is a whipped creamer, typically used for dairy milk, but of course it can be used for coconut milk, why not? So all you do is pour your mixture in the canister. It's so easy, you are going to be amazed. The other way is inefficient and unreliable, and it really takes a long time. So, and it's very noisy while you're using your stand mixer if you have one. So that's it. You just put it in there, add the lid, and then you'll get a canister of nitrous that goes with the whipped cream canister. And there's a little attachment that you can use. You put it in there, and there's a pin that's going to pierce the end of your canister. Make sure you get nitrous and not carbon dioxide, which is for soda. Someday I'll show you how we do that at our house, because we do that too. And that's the sound of the nitrous going into the canister. Wait just a second so that it all empties in there. And these canisters, they're only about $1, little over $1 if you buy a box of 10 or more. So, remember the ice cream we made the other day? Well, I'm gonna get that out from the freezer, just 1 minute. Don't store this in the freezer. You wanna eat it right away. It works best that way. Now, the whipped cream will last. So this is what it looks like from this one. And then I have another canister I like. Do you notice this tip? See how it's much bigger? Watch what this looks like. Pretty cool, huh? And you can put as much as you like on there. And then I like to just decorate with a fresh strawberry, maybe some pineapple, and how about a few banana slices too? And this is a really nice sprig of pineapple mint from my garden. Oh, the smell, it just adds such a wonderful taste. And then look at that. So now I get to try it. Will I try the banana or the strawberry or the chocolate first? Chocolate, of course. So get a little bit of the whipped cream in there. The whipped cream is so light. I can't wait until you taste this. It's wonderful on any kind of ice cream sundae you want to make, or on pie. We use this for pumpkin pie in the holidays. It's also great on a cup of coffee or chai tea, or of course, hot cocoa.